Does it go? Okay, so we're gonna do an unboxing video of the Starlink satellite internet. And for people that don't know what this is, Elon Musk had pretty much launched LEO satellites. There's about 900 in orbit as of this last month, actually. And we are a beta tester for this. So we received this. We're out in Estacada, Oregon, 15 miles outside the city limits, I believe. So pretty much the unboxing video. So we opened this up. Some clear, simple instructions. It's pretty easy. And then let's see what all that comes in here. Ooh, this is a nice stand. It's a nice, quite a bit of aluminum stand. It's pretty solid. We have the modem. This is the modem. This is the router. Has all connected. The aux ports on it, so we can connect your phone. Oh, Cooper. We have the power supply here. Just this little brick here. And we got the satellite dish. Oh wow, this thing is pretty big. So that's pretty much what comes in this, the box that you guys get from Starlink. You can